Do you have... yes? Do you have any questions? Ask away. I'm making a fantasy world for a project. It's based on a pen and paper role playing session, a one shot pen and paper role playing session, and it's the world after the players and well, wandered through the world and defeated enemies and raided tombs and stuff like that. And it's the world after they were there, and it's not really supposed to be a game at some point, but more of a snapshot of the world after a role-playing group wandered through it, and all the effects it had on the world. You could compare it to something like a walking simulator. There will be signs that just comment on stuff that happened in the role-playing session, but most of all, it's just the world you walk through, and there will be an interior level that's a brewery slash inn, and a small dungeon area below that. But there will be no fighting, no real conversation, no real quests and stuff like that. It's mostly walking simulator. That's the closest thing you can call it. And it's mostly for me working around with the plugins I have in Unity, and playing around with those plugins and with level design a bit. Did that answer the question? Or is there anything else? Okay, then let's go on. There was a small, simple overlay map, and the players started in a village, walked through a thick forest that will be here, and encountered some bandits there, and then they walked onto the brewery that was somewhere over here, and encountered some goblins that had infested it there, and we stopped in the brewery, and then kind of took over the brewery, and that's what I built. I can show you the brewery. The interior for the brewery. Haven't done the exterior yet. Here you come in, and this is one of the goblins we charmed, and he joined the party, and now he's kind of running the entrance of the brewery / inn, and he's greeting people and showing them their table, and maybe just doing some stuff behind the bar. Over here we have yeah, really dark. You can't even really see it. Some bathrooms, and then we have a kitchen here. I need to add some lights, some more lights in here. And upstairs there are in rooms, different sizes, double beds and single beds, and one large group room, and the end of the hallway. Here are the owner's rooms with 2 bedrooms, one small one and the bigger one. And if we go downstairs, which so far is only possible through a trapdoor. Oh, and here's a cold room, storage area for meat and vegetables and stuff. But it's always closed. There's nothing in there. And this is the basement, and here we have the brewery part. But I only had barrels, and I resized them at the moment because I didn't do the art. I just used what I had in the interior package that 3D Forge provides on the asset store, and I put some assets here, and then I have to find better assets for the brewery vats and for the brewery, that it looks better and looks like it could work. At the moment it's just big barrels. And if you come down here, there's a storage area, and here's a secret storage area, and in the role-playing session there was a magical yeah, what is it, goblet, pot, or stuff like that, that would turn every liquid you put in it into a magical variation of that liquid, and would taste, everybody would like the taste, and it would have restorative properties and stuff like that. And we took that artifact, and the quest was to get the artifact and bring it back to the owner of the brewery, or the descendant of the owner, to be precise. And after that he said, okay, I don't need the brewery, you can do with it what you want. And And then we gave him the pot, and he gave us the brewery. And this is the cave where the goblins were, the Goblin King and his horde was staying most of the time. And we chased them away. There was another exit over here, but we sealed it up so that no one can come in here. But I left the cave in and built the cave because I kind of liked it. Yeah, that's the interior of the brewery, and the exterior I haven't done yet, but it will be done, and once I have figured out the plugin Gaia and know how to place stuff at specific spots on the map or in specific areas of the map. Yeah. And that's what I will work on today, mostly. The thing is, I want to spawn these small villages, but for some reason they don't spawn. And Gaia has that point of interest system in it, and with a few parameters you can change where stuff is spawning. But like I said, I haven't figured out how to spawn large structures yet, and I want to what I want to do is spawn a village here, not place it myself, and then just add to it and tweak a few stuffs, a few parameters, tweak a few models, move them around a bit, and not place everything myself. I want to create a world and then go into it and just add pathways, roads, and stuff like that, and points of interest after the fact. But before that I want to have it generated so it looks interesting, and then go in and tweak it after it was placed. And they have those for all the spawners here that put textures, game object trees, and detail stuff on the map, or in the scene. They have specific criteria, and so far I haven't figured them out yet, so that I can really work with it and say, okay, in this area that I prepared, there has to be a village. I try to do so with the small village 2, and it should spawn over here, but I put it to point check and that doesn't work. If I put it to bound area check,